Welcome to Dragon Classroom. I'm Dragon. What are we going to learn today? We are learning Chinese. How do we say today in Chinese? I shall teach you. Let's begin. How do we say yesterday in Chinese? Yesterday is 昨天. Yesterday is 昨天. Yesterday is 昨天. How do we say today in Chinese? Today is 今天. Today is 今天. Today is 今天. How do we say tomorrow in Chinese? Tomorrow is 明天. Tomorrow is 明天. Tomorrow is 明天. How do we say last year in Chinese? Last year is 去年. Last year is 去年. Last year is 去年. How do we say this year in Chinese? This year is 今年. This year is 今年. This year is 今年. How do we say next year in Chinese? Next year is 明年. Next year is 明年. Next year is 明年. How do we say last week in Chinese? Last week is 上周. Last week is 上周. Last week is 上周. How do we say this week in Chinese? This week is 这周. This week is 这周. This week is 这周. How do we say next week in Chinese? Next week is 下周. Next week is 下周. Next week is 下周. How do we say now in Chinese? Now is 现在. Now is 现在. Now is 现在. How do we say later in Chinese? Later is 之后. Later is 之后. Later is 之后. We have finished learning all the words. Let us review them together. Yesterday is 昨天. One more time. Yesterday is 昨天. Today is 今天. Today is 今天. Tomorrow is 明天. Tomorrow is 明天. Last year is 去年. Last year is 去年. This year is 今年. This year is 今年. Next year is 明年. Next year is 明年. Last week is 上 周. Last week is 上周. This week is 这周. This week is 这周. Next week is 下周. Next week is 下周. Now is 现在. Now is 现在. Later is 之后. Later is 之后. We have finished reviewing. Get ready for a quiz. Listen carefully. 现在现在现在 What does it mean? What is your answer? Well done. 现在 is now. 现在 is now. Question 2. Listen carefully. 今天今天今天 What does it mean? What is your answer? Very good. Today is 今天. Today is 今天. That's all for the quiz. Congratulations. Now you know 11 more Chinese words. Please join me again to learn more. Thank you. 谢谢